Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Caesar from Puente Hyundai, and today we're going to be driving the 2022 Hyundai Tucson SCL with convenience package. So this one does have a sunroof. We're going to open that one up and we're going to plop our GoPro on top of it so you guys can kind of see the outside view as well of us driving around the little area, and hopefully you guys will be able to see a little bit more of how fun the Tucson can actually be. All right, everyone, we're about to take off in the 2022 Tucson. That's the SCL with convenience package. So we're kind of on our mid-level type of car here. So no leather, no big sunroof. We just have a small moon roof with us. But the convenience package is a good choice if you're not wanting to spend that dollar amount to get something a little bit higher. So this is going to have just the Apple CarPlay, which I have connected, so you guys can kind of see how that looks on the screen. And this does offer the wireless charging, so my phone is down in the section here, and it's charging as we are driving. You do have the small moonroof, so if you hear a little bit of wind noise, that's all it is. But what's really nice is that they do provide the digital cluster display. So the digital cluster display is something that's kind of newer that automakers are bringing. So they're taking away from all the analog stuff and everything is just pretty much digital on the screen. Very nice. You can kind of change the color of it if you want to, like the theme and everything. You can kind of have a little bit different background and kind of customize it to your own. Another thing that this convenience package offers is going to be the power liftgate. And for most people that have SUVs, that's something that I commonly find with customers is that they're trying to get is the power liftgate. And then of course you have the nicer wheels on the outside, which you'll be able to see as well. So with all that, that's pretty much the convenience package, all the major stuff. But Tucson's is a nice size for a mid-size SUV. So even if you have a family, everyone will be able to fit comfortably. It drives nice. It shares the same engine between some other SUVs and actually some sedans as well that we offer. So the engine is shared between a lot of the cars with Hyundai, which is really nice. So it still carries the 8-speed transmission on the 2.5 liter engine. So a little bit less weight on this one. So if you're comparing it to a Santa Fe, it'll have a little bit more pick-me-up because there's less weight. But ultimately, we do have another video on the Santa Fe, so if you need a little bit bigger size, you can always go with that. But Tucson's a really nice medium size SUV where it's going to be compared a lot between like RAV4 or Mazda CX-5, things on that. The good thing with this Tucson is it is the year that it got redesigned, so 2022 is the newer design model, so you'll be seeing this on the road for the next probably like 3 to 4 years. And you're going to have something that's newer as well. All right, a little bit more notes before we head back in. You do have some more convenience options in here. As far as the garage door opener is going to be under here, so you're able to program through the home link. You're going to have the power seating and the lumbar for the driver as well. And then, like I said, you're going to have the power liftgate with this convenience package is what makes this car pretty good as far as convenience and making your life a little bit easier. And now we are back, everyone. Show you the camera really quick. You see the gentleman behind us walking. You do have a nice little second view here, so you can look straight down. You can also see a little bit of the bumper, and you can kind of change this view with most cars. Even if it has a 360 camera, you'll be able to switch it to that view as well. Okay, everyone, thank you for joining us again here at Puente Hyundai. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing a little bit more of the Hyundai Tucson with the convenience package. Now, of course, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave those in the comments section. We'll be able to show you a little bit more in our next video. Other than that, go ahead and please like, comment, and share. And we'll see you next time here at Puente Hills Hyundai.